Good day, sir. I'm Cadet Dijito. So, for now, I'm going to discuss the Eplan1D. So, here's the materials. First, we got the Eplan1D and the chart, and the extra ball pen, pencil, and the 2 triangle roller, and the compass divider. So, at 10:30 hour, the ship is on course of 225 through and a speed of 8 knots. With the use of visual method, the OOW observed a Geo Point lighthouse which bears of 0.25 relative, with a distance of 10 nautical miles. After an hour, the same object was abeamed to which the bearing of a Geo lighthouse is 25 relative. So first, we must convert this to the true bearing. So we have a piece of sheet. So the formula is we must add the true course to the relative bearing. So 225 true course RB 0.25, so add to 250 true bearing. So we must plot the 250 bearing to the chart. 250. So second, we must plot the distance of 10 nautical mile using the compass divider. To a Geo lighthouse. So this is the first fixed position of 10:30 hour. So we must locate the 225 true course and connect it to the fixed position. 225. So the step 4, apply the international for the dead reckoning. So dead reckoning is the 8 knots. Speed times time equals speed. 8 knots. 8 knots times 1 equals to 8. So we must plot the distance from the fixed position of 8. So there's our dead reckoning located. So the step 5, plot the second LOP of a geoport. At the same time, after an hour, the object was a beam to starboard, which is 90 degree to starboard. So we must add the true course to 225 and the true bearing of to starboard as 90 degree. Our relative bearing to starboard of 90 degree. So equals to 315 true. So we must plot it to the Aguio Point Lighthouse 315 using the triangle ruler. So 315 connect it to the Aguio Lighthouse. So this. The next thing we do to get the running fix, we're going to transfer the first LOP at an hour of 10:30 to the dead reckoning, which is called the transfer LOP. So at 10:30, so 250 true bearing, we must connect it to the second 250. So we're determine the DR of 11:30 hour. So here is the line, and now we located the transfer LOP. So the intersection of the second LOP and of the transfer LOP is called the DR of 11:30 hour. So, second, we must erase the extra line. And lastly, apply the International Convention of Running Fixed Position. So, we must apply the 225 true course to the DR. To the intersection of DR. Determine the latitude and the longitude of the ship running fixed position of 11:30. So the latitude is 9 degree and 43 minutes north, and the longitude is 124 minutes and 39 east, and get the sheet and comply. So we must check, plot the first LOP, done, apply the loop, calculate the run after an hour from the first observation, that's 11:30 hour. So check, plot the dead reckoning position 11:30, check, apply the dead reckoning convention for the dead reckoning position, plot the second LOP, apply the international convention of the LOP, transfer the LOP, determine, apply, check. So we must put the latitude in here, 9 degree to 43 minutes north. So the longitude 124 degree of 39 minutes east. So we must check here, put our name, and the top of the signature.